makes a masterpiece timeless. Whether it's an ancient sculpture, a Renaissance painting, or some eccentric modern piece of art, it speaks to something deep inside of us. It's more than beauty, it's an aesthetic way of thinking, seeing, and making sense of the world. We talk often about equity in education, and more specifically, how to do equity. But the challenge is in making it real and creating classrooms where every student has a voice, where critical thinking thrives, and where learning is more than just memorization. That's where visual thinking strategies comes in. VTS is the single best strategy I've found that embodies culturally responsive education. It's adaptable to every subject, every grade level, and it works. VTS uses art to teach visual literacy, thinking, and communication skills. This book was first published in 2013, but its impact is timeless. Philip Yenawine, co-creator of VTS, understood something profound. Art isn't just about appreciation, it's about thinking, questioning, and engaging. That's what makes this book study special. It's not just about reading a book, it's about applying a framework that transforms how we teach and how students learn. Join me for a free interactive book study on visual thinking strategies. We have a team of amazing facilitators who will lead you through a fun and enriching reading experience. Together, we'll explore how to use this powerful approach to build equitable, culturally responsive classrooms. Please join us.